Okay, so we got the summer tires on and wheeled. We're just gonna be there until we get the new coatings. But we are going to Garage 5 today, so it should be good. Yes, I will keep you updated. Okay, we're on the way to Garage 5. Probably like 45 minutes. Yep. Somewhere around there. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Let me know what you think. You still have time as well to vote in the hot question of the day, and that has to do with the 5-day hearing that started today at the BC Court of Appeal.
Here we are, Garage 5. Well, they put in speed bumps.
About oil or diluted bitumen running through a pipeline. Should the decision on whether or not that's allowed rest in...
Okay, so we're out of Garage 5 now. I got the Jay's Racing hat. That's pretty sweet. And also, I got a B-Series phone case, which is also pretty awesome. And I can't show it right now because I'm recording on my phone. But yeah. Okay, so quick recap from Garage 5. I got this really cool Jay's Racing hat. And I also got a Type R valve cover iPhone case. But yeah, pretty cool.